Today's quick tip is about turning a flat star such as this into a 3D one such as this. So I'm going to actually use my scoreboard for this, but you can also use the paper trimmer. I do recommend, if you're using the paper trimmer, to actually ignore the scoring blade that is in the trimmer and use a sort of dull pointed scorer instead. If you use the scoring blade, it's a little bit harsh, and with the brushed metal that I'm using here, it can scratch the surface. So if you use a tool such as this, and you've either got the one that comes with the scoreboard, or there's also a double-ended pointer for the take a pick tool as well. Either one will do. But as I say, I'm used to using a scoreboard, so I'm going to use this. I've marked my scoreboard down the centre line with a marker, a permanent marker, so that I can see it always. And what you need to do is line up the point of the star with the line, the scoring line, and the V of the opposite V of the star, and you want to score along that. So just press fairly gentle. A couple of times is better than once too hard, because as I say, you can scratch the surface of the card. Turn it, rotate it, and just score it again. Rotate. We're going to do this on all of the points, so you're going point to V every time. So rotate again, point to V, and a final one, point to V, like that. So we've now got our scored star, and all we need to do now is just fold along those score lines. This is one time that I don't actually use my bone folder, I just pinch it with my fingers, again because I don't want to break the surface of the metallic cardstock. So we're going to fold along every one of those score lines that we've just made. Just pressing carefully. Final one. Like that. And then all you need to do to finish is just bend along the points of the stars, bending in at the centre, and it creates the star itself in a 3D shape. What you can then do, should you wish, is pop a little pile, maybe 2 or 3 dimensionals in the centre, if you want to give it some support to go on a card. For example, I could have added it to this card here, or you don't even need to put them together in the centre. You can just use mini dimensionals in every point and have 2 and put them together to make an ornament for the tree. So that's another option. So hope this tip helps. Thanks for stopping by.